What's up, my G's? If you're wondering what I'm doing on the floor, this he's fighting again. He's fighting me again. This time he's not. He's really hyper and really upset. He really wants to bite my fingers. Trying to get my fingers out. Oh God, he's biting my fingers. You're not getting my fingers. You're not getting my fingers. He's very violent. Look at this. When I keep my hand up there. No. No. Stop biting me. No. He's violent dog. He's biting my injured thumb. Oh, okay, he's done. He's biting my bones. He's biting my bones. Stop, let go. He's not letting go. There we go. You little hyper. He bit through all this. But this is it so far. This was the Saturday. My feet hurt really bad from skateboarding yesterday, which was Thursday. I'm losing it. But right now I have to do homework. Room's really bright because I have the windows open. Usually I just close the blinds and put the light on, and I gotta shave. I'm just a mess right now. But I've just been playing with the dog because all he does is sit down and get out. And he's not supposed to get out. Maxie. But in a couple hours, when he's out the room, when he's allowed to leave, I got some workout tips for you guys to do when you have dumbbells at home. And like little dumbbell workouts. And Maxie, stop it. But yeah, I got some workout tips, not created by me. I just do them because I know it gets me the next day. And yeah, it's like not like every other ordinary day, but Sunday and Monday I might not be able to record. Maybe Monday night, but not Sunday, because if you guys know, there's gonna be family in Los Angeles that I'm going to. I might show you a couple footages. Like, I might take a couple videos for you guys. Maybe if we're going to Chinatown or not. But it's in 2 days, so we'll see what happens. And box opening will be mainly in 2 or 1 week. Depends on when everything comes. When everything comes, right away, I'm gonna do box opening and show you guys the surprise what I got. And this dog is really annoying me. He went in this dumb alleyway. Where's my hand? He's behind that backpack. Maxie, come here. Come here. Maxie, come here. Say hi to the people. They don't see you that much. This little hyper dog. I kiss my dogs. Nothing wrong with kissing a dog. I love dogs. I'm a dog lover. Just watching some YouTube. I gotta do some homework. Yes, homework on the weekends. I have 3 assignments for government. Government homework is the worst because you do it every day. It's not fun, not pleasant, but you have to graduate somehow, you know. So complicated life, but you guys will see me do some workout tips and tricks for when you guys have nothing to do and you don't go to the gym. So, I'll be seeing you in a few minutes. Alright guys, what's up? I'm really tired. Oh man, I can't keep myself up. But I don't know. I said I was gonna do some workouts, but every time I say something like that, I just die, you know? I'm like dying, trying to keep my eyes open, but nothing to do. Just watching YouTube still. My nights are so boring, but you know. Just looking at things, you know. My mom, hold on. My mom put a plant in my room. Some Adidas shampoos, and then some Yoke. But you know what will get me pumped up right now? Actually, I was tricking you guys. I mean, I'm still real tired. Really tired. Got the C4 creatine. So what I'm gonna do is open this puppy up. As you can see, it has moisture in it. It got moisture in it somehow, you know? So what I'm gonna do is, alright, if I could grab a little piece. Dude, it is still wet. I don't get what's wet inside. I never put anything in it. Alright. I hope this is big enough, cause I wish there was a smaller piece. I got a nugget. A C4 nugget. And I just did this recently. I'm gonna put this down really fast so I can close this. Alright. It's pink lemonade. This is pink lemonade. It doesn't look like pink lemonade. But ooh, it's sour. Oh. It's so sour. Oh my god. Guys, got some bad news coming. I'm pumping. Alright, but what's it called? I'm gonna stand up. Whew. Got the flannel with the red shorts. Roosevelt. And for some workouts, I'd suggest at least 25s or 10s for however many, like whatever feels comfortable and light for you. So I'm gonna bust up both of them. Right, this is the 25 and then the 10. So like whatever you feel comfortable holding is good for you. Like, I personally like the 10s, because what I do with the 10s is I do curls. These are curls. I do 25 I do 25 curls 10 times. 10 or 8 times, because it's a low one. So you don't go all the way down. If you rest your arms, you'll lose that tension of pumping your arms up. So you gotta like keep it like constant tension. And then I don't know, I've seen people like twist it. I don't know, it's like this weird twist. And then they do hammers. Hammers is a good one. The same type of thing. But if you like high reps, you get, I mean heavy, if you like heavyweight, you know, you do the same thing with each one. Of course, it's not going to be easier because it's heavier, you know. But 25s, I like them because heavy, for me, heavy the better. And the quicker results if you like consistently do it. But I don't know. That's some tips on biceps. And now I gotta put them back, you know. Oh. Oh my. Alright, my sweet briefcase. On the Guess What's in the Box video, we already had a winner. It was the first comment, literally. But in this box, since I didn't show you guys, it's a poker set. These are poker chips. It looks like a legit briefcase. Like, who would walk around like with the briefcase? And if I aimed it a little bit lower, like this could be like a 357 Magnum case. But I ain't a terrorist. And then my gym shoes, if you guys want to close up, I got the Kobe's, if you can see, Kobe signature. It's like purple. I don't know, like one has red. If someone could tell me what this means. This one doesn't have red, it's purple. Yeah, right here's a better view. I don't know. I really want to get the black ones. Like it's black with white and then has a rose gold. That's gonna be my next shoes from Kobe's. I really enjoy Kobe's. Like the shoes. These shoes are probably one of the most comfortable things I ever worn. Better than Adidas. 10 times better. Oh my, like, it looks like running, like basketball shoes. It's like a basketball shoes, but I use them as running, walking, wherever, really. It's like my ordinary shoes. I don't use them for basketball. But, I don't know, I can't, it's like bouncing every time. And I'm hoping you guys had a good weekend. I'm playing with some cards. I'm bored, as you can tell. But what's it called? But I have to stop saying but. Oh. Okay. A lot of people have been asking about that box. I mean the unboxing video. I'm not gonna say what it is really. But I'm gonna get a few things early, but I am not gonna open it. I'm not gonna open it till everything comes. I will lay it out one by one. I'll open it because I'm gonna be recording with one hand. So technically, this is gonna be like, pretend this is a box. it will be cut right here, and I'm not gonna open it. Of course, I'm gonna hide my address so none of you guys can come beat me up and take things from me. But I'm gonna cut it up, and I'm just gonna pull it out, pull out, pull out, pull out, and then I will, what's it called? I'm gonna have like a stand right up here, so you see me on, oh yeah. So you could see me like unwrap it and then show you guys. I'm gonna put like a little tripod right there and show you guys a glimpse of what I've got. I still need to, I don't know yet. I don't know if the watches are big on my on my wrist. My watch thing broke. This is a watch adjuster. It's missing the little nudge right there. It broke. And we got some crazy events going. I have a brand new C4. It's fruit punch. Not opened yet. Still got the sticker. I bought a lot of them. I love the taste. People say it doesn't give you kick, but if you eat it like raw, if you eat it moisturized, shoot, you're gonna get a kick in you. You just saw how tired I was a few minutes ago, remember? Like, I couldn't open my eyes. I couldn't open them. I took that little bite. Oh. Alright. But, I love you guys. I love it that you guys are leaving comments in the description, in the comment section. And I like reading your comments. Even though I'm getting one or two. I love it anyways. I love having notifications pop up on the screen. It just keeps me entertained and motivated to make more. And I'm gonna give my friend Brian a little happy birthday shout out. Of course it's a late happy birthday, but happy 18th birthday, Brian. And I'm just watching YouTube. I'm on my YouTube right now. But so tomorrow's Saturday. I haven't even finished the homework yet. I still have to do this project, the brochure, and like 3 other assignments. It will be finished. If you guys know what I'm talking about, it's government class. I'm not gonna mention the teacher's name because it's for privacy. It just sucks, you know. Homework. Senior year is the hardest year of my life. Harder than go home. But I'm gonna leave it to there. I'm gonna cut it. I'm gonna stop it. And I'm gonna start a new vlog every day tomorrow and see what I do. I don't even know what I'm doing tomorrow. Most likely stay home. Maybe go somewhere with my mom. So we're gonna have a mom vlog in the car. Probably to go pick up my sister. She's at her friend's house. But that's a little glimpse of what's gonna be happening, or that little workout tip I gave to you. That's just like curls. It's just for the bicep. But thanks for watching, though. If you made it this far, you are a real G, and I love it that you guys keep coming back, getting my views up and up and up. And thank you. I talk like a robot. I'm talking annoying right now. A lot of you guys hate when teachers talk like this. But thank you for watching and liking and always coming back. So peace out and stay for more.